Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to use Siri to find apps in App Store. Let's activate Siri by holding the side button and let's try a command. Siri, find fitness application in the App Store. Here is the result, but let's try another example. Siri, find me puzzle games in App Store. And it will automatically take you to this page with, in my case, puzzle games in App Store directly. So that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.